Hey, what's up guys? My name is Vish Patel and welcome back to my channel. My ultimate goal is to raise your awareness in the financial world, which can magnify your wealth. So make sure to hit the like button and click on the subscribe button down here. At the end of the video, I am also giving you best safety tips of the day. So make sure to watch the video till end. Okay, so today's topic is the financial wealth. What is meant by financial wealth to you? In my opinion, financial wealth is a financial freedom, which is the ability to enjoy what you like, when you like, with whom you like in terms of spending money. Great financial wealth is the state of having strong financial resources. More precisely, a much better way of measuring wealth would be the number of years of financial freedom that someone can accumulate. This is complete freedom from financial chaos and worries, which is one of the main cause of suffering within the majority of people's lives. In order to increase your financial wealth, you need to focus on the fundamental like basic education. Education will create one of the base for you to start. Basic education is always important and make sure you get at least graduate degree. Financial education, focus and develop your financial skills. Read a book, attend some financial courses and listen some podcast. On the financial and wealth topic, I like one of the book, which is Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. He said in his book that money comes and goes, but if you have the education about how money works, you gain power over it and it can begin building your wealth. Another thing is to set your goal. Write it down your goal, where you want to be and what is the purpose of your life. Third thing is the investing. Understand the asset versus liability. You need to develop a skill where you do not have to work for money, but your money should work for you. Rich people acquire asset, the poor and the middle class acquire liability. Again, this is from the Rich Dad Poor Dad book. Another thing, budgeting. Consciously allocate your money. Control your spending and save regularly. Surrounding yourself with the financial masters, that will always help you to grow your skills in a financial sense. If you focus on this fundamental and navigate them successfully, you never have to worry about the financial problem in your life. Picture yourself in the future where you never have to worry about money ever again. Here are some of the biggest traps that keep people away from achieving financial wealth. Lacking financial literacy. Most people never get wealthy simply because they are not trained financially to recognize opportunities right in front of them. Another thing is spending. What is your need versus what you just like? Rich people buy luxury last, while the poor and middle class tend to buy luxury first. One of the best sentence from Rich Dad Poor Dad book. Spending more than one earns. Keep your expense low, reduce liability and diligently build a base of solid asset. Another thing, not investing. Make sure you invest in yourself. Investing yourself and get some financial skills. The single most powerful asset we all have is our mind. If you train it well, you can achieve big wealth. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as I promised you, here is the safety tips of the day. Make sure you do not text while you're driving. So remember that safe driving is always good driving, and do not text or talk on a phone while you're driving to stay safe and to keep your family safe. All right. Thank you and see you next time.